Okay. In the other video, I was talking about trading silver and gold and how you probably should also start trading silver and gold. But uh, because it's NFP today, I thought also let me try and answer a question that sometimes I am asked because I love answering your questions. By the way, if you're looking to download Forex systems, indicators, books, robots, and stuff like that, there are links in the description box below. Visit those blogs and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. So, can you make money trading fundamentals only? I'm often asked that question. Can you just stop all the other things and just wait for major news and try and capitalize on those? My answer: yes, you can make money trading fundamentals only, but there is a risk to it. There is a bigger risk to it. Uh, when you're trading only fundamentals, you must understand that there are only so many major news in a month. There are only so many news that actually move the market. Most of the time, the news does nothing. Today, this was NFP. We all know it's one event that every trader looks forward to at the beginning of every month. So that's one of those. We have your FOMCs, we've got your interest rate decisions and stuff like that. But there are few. You find that sometimes you might think that this major news event is going to move the market or this currency pair, and you'll be surprised that it does absolutely nothing. So what it means is, if you're only going to be trading news exclusively, not doing anything else, just only targeting news, you probably only have 4 or 5 opportunities a month in order to make money. It's fine if you are that disciplined, or if you're that person who is just disciplined to just wait for only 4 trading opportunities a month and you're out of the market. What it means is, for people who actually trade fundamentals, if you're only going to be trading fundamentals only for 4 times, 5 times a month, you're only going to get into the market 4 times or 5 times in a month. What it's going to mean is actually that every time you have a news event that's coming up, like NFP today, it means you are going to bet a large sum of your account because it's the one opportunity. So what it means is, unlike people who are day trading or people who are trading for most of the trading week, you only have one chance to flip your account. You only have one chance to grow your account. So you find that people who are trading that way, uh, NFP is coming up, they are willing to bet a big chunk of their account because it's one event, one opportunity that month, and they need to make as much money from it as possible. So it's something that you probably will need to decide for yourself. Can you risk a huge chunk of your account on a single event? Can you put your whole account at risk for a single event? If you have the money for it, sure, you can do that. But for many people, you might not recover from that if you do not have enough funds to support your trading. One way that I found though is, what people actually do is they deposit monies into like these micro accounts. My broker offers one of those. Link is in the description. Or they trade these $50 to $100, $10 accounts. If you lose $10, no big deal about it. If you lose the $100, of course, for somebody it might be a lot of money. If you lose $1,000, no worry about it. You wait for the next major news event. Of course, $1,000 for somebody is a lot of money. They cannot just let NFP take all that money. So what they do is, yeah, you certainly look at the economic calendar for the month, and you set your alarm, or you set whatever, or something to remind you today is the trading opportunity. Then what they do is, a few minutes before the event, they try to get a picture of where the big banks might be taking the market, or they might try to watch as much of the news beforehand, just to get sentiment of where the market might be going. Sometimes some of these news are announced, but people already know what's happening. So when the news hits, they just go with the massive wave. So you can make money just trading fundamentals, but it's risky. You have fewer opportunities to trade, and definitely you are going to risk a lot because you are trying to make as much money as possible. On the upside, it's a good thing because it means you are not just chasing every rabbit that you find in the bush. You actually are waiting for like the big game. The big game. You are actually waiting for the things that actually matter, not just chasing every sudden move or every spike of a candle or everything in the markets, which also sometimes also sees many people blowing their accounts because they're just chasing every indicator. They are chasing every engulfing candle. They are chasing every flag or their charts. So sometimes things do not pan out, and they make mistakes. Unlike the person who is just waiting for that big opportunity, that big news event. So it goes both ways. If you're a person who is disciplined, a person who is prepared to just wait for that one event a month where you can actually make your money, I said usually there are 4 or 5 of these events. Most of the events nowadays they don't move that much, so perhaps you are just one person who waits for NFP. Although nowadays it does move, you can see it does move, but it's no longer that NFP of yesteryears, which would like move crazy. So you can make money just trading fundamentals. You just need to be prepared. Uh, Risk money that you can actually lose, and have a plan in place on what you are going to do before the news event, after the news event, and you certainly make lots and lots of cash. I hope this answers the question. Uh, can a person make money just trading fundamentals? Like this video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Until next time, bye.